Okay, we start. Hope screen is visible, page is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So write today's date. Last part of the 4-year series. Parsells identity. Okay, start. Write with me. Suppose f of x is periodic function with period to L defined in
Full screen.
oh sorry I think I have to start it again. Just give me 1 minute only. Yes, tap. Hope it is visible now. Right,
Yes, sir.
Parsells identity. Write date. Then write on 1. Suppose f of x is periodic function with period to L defined in x between minus L to plus L. Then Fourier series expansion. Now we know this very well. F of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n cos of n pi x divided by L plus bn. So whenever we know the function f of x explicitly, right? We write the a naught n in terms of integration. Where a naught equal to yes, what is the formula? 1 upon L minus L to plus L f of x dx. Right? Hope you remember n also. 1 upon L minus L to L f of x cos of n by x divided by L dx. Bn equal to 1 upon L minus L to L f of x. And we know that whenever the function f of x is even or odd, the formulas will change. Okay, so we know the Fourier series expansion corresponding to even and odd function. So, day. Parseval's identity is integration from minus L to L f of x whole square dx equal to L times half a naught square plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an square plus bn square. So a1 square plus b1 square, next will be plus a2 square plus b2 square, and so on. Okay. Next one. Second, when f of x is even function in x between minus L to L. Remaining things I am not writing. So what we have to write? Suppose f of x is a periodic function of period 2L defined in the interval minus L to L, and f of x is a even function. Then Fourier series expansion is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation a n cos of n pi x divided by L. Bn will be 0 in case of even function, right now? Then we will write a naught. A naught is equal to 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x dx. A n equal to 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x cos of n pi x divided by L. All these formulas are very well known to you, so I am not writing them. Okay, I am writing the identity only. Right now, then minus L to L f of x whole square dx equal to, right, L times half a naught square plus summation a n square. Same as above formula, only since for even function bn equal to 0, bn is not there. Remaining things are same. Third, when f of x is odd function in x between minus L to plus L, then integration minus L to L f of x whole square dx. Can anyone tell me what will be the formula? Can anyone tell me what will be the formula? So we have to use this formula only. First formula है ना, उसको ही use करना है हमें. Now what will happen in case of odd function? L times what will be the a naught? 0. What will be the a? 0. So what will remain? Only bn square will remain. Right na? Hope everyone is getting this.
Yes, sir.
Now write note. About three formulas are valid for standard period 2 pi. Write in bracket. What will be the change? Just to replace, what is to be replaced? L by what? Pi. है ना? A standard period है तो L is to be replaced by pi ना? Then about three formulas will be same only. There will be no any change. So 6 formulas. 3 formulas corresponding to 2L, 3 more corresponding to 2 pi. Getting okay? Now 4 more are remaining corresponding to the half range expansion. Yes, on next page we'll write them. Can I change the page?
Yes.
Okay.
1 minute.
Sir, 1 minute.
I'm waiting. And it is always better to respect seniors. Right now? So instead of saying just S, better to say S, sir. Saying S, that will not deduct your marks. Saying S, sir, also will not add your marks. But that will add something to your personality, okay? And that will help you for the whole life. So respecting, in fact, everyone, not only seniors, respecting elders and olders will help you. Okay, let me continue.
Yes, sir.
That's right. Acha, I have to change page. Fourth, right. Half range cosine expansion. Correct. Half range cosine expansion. So write in short, f of x, period to L, but where it is defined? In half range only, 0 to L only, right? Therefore, f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n cos of n pi x divided by L, n equal to 1 to infinity. Then Parseval's identity is integration from 0 to L now, it is not minus L to L, 0 to L. F of x square dx equal to L by 2. Why L by 2? We are considering 0 to L, we are not considering the whole interval, therefore. Half a naught square plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n square. Fifth. Half range sine expansion. So write in short, f of x, period is 12, defining x between 0 to L, and then let me write the identity directly, 0 to L, dx equal to, yes, anyone, L by 2. What about a naught and a in case of half range sine expansion? 0. Okay, so n equal to 1 to infinity bn square. Then write note, write the note. About 2 formulas are valid for standard period 2 pi also. Just replace L by pi. That's it. Just replace L by pi and you get the required answer. Okay, we'll understand one of the application of Parseval's identity. Write example. Okay, write the example with me. Find Fourier series expansion of f of x equal to x square. F of x equal to x square and minus pi to plus pi. Use Parseval's identity to prove that pi raised to 4 by 90 equal to 1, 1 upon 2 raised to 4, 1 upon 3 raised to 4. Hey, who is this high? Madam, solution. given f of x equal to x square. Hey, what type of function? What is the midpoint?
0.
Absolutely.
0.
Yes, write down below this, right? So first, hope you remember that. First, we have to check what the midpoint is. If midpoint is x equal to 0, then only we have to check whether it is even or odd. Else, we have to find the general Fourier series. Okay, so no doubt, midpoint is x equal to 0, and x square is even function. Right, f of x is even function. Let me change the page. Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, right, just 1 minute. Let me change the page. So we understood that f of x is even function, and now we'll write what is Fourier series expansion with the standard period 2 pi. So therefore, Fourier series expansion is f of x equal to formula of a naught 2 by pi 0 to pi, and already we solved this example, so I don't want to solve it once again. Hope you might remember what the answers are. Else you can see your notebook and you can cross check your answer. Or you can solve it once again. No need to write Bn. Bn is equal to 0. You know it. Thus, f of x from equation number 1, I'll write. Equation 1. So f of x is known to us, x square, okay, equal to a naught by 2. A naught is 2 pi square divided by 3, divided by 2. So 2 cancel, I am writing directly. Pi square by 3 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an 4 minus 1 raised to n divided by n square cos of nx. Which is Fourier series expansion, but no doubt we are not interested in that. See what is the identity? What the identity says? Anyone? What the identity says? कोई बता सकता है आइडेंटिटी क्या है? देख के बता सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Yes. What is that? Yes. हाँ बताइए आप.
Of x whole square dx equals
The integration from
0
0 to pi, then
of x whole square
equal to हाफ रेंज है ना, जो फोर्थ फॉर्मूला है ना उसको देखिए आप. फोर्थ फॉर्मूला वी हैव रिटन बिफोर सम
L
टाइम.
by 2.
वेरी गुड. पाई बाय 2 आएगा यहाँ पे, है
Pi by
Right.
2 into
Correct.
bracket half a naught square plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity a n square.
सर हाफ रेंज
हाँ
हाफ होगा ना?
लिखा ना a नॉट बाई 2 लिखे ना?
हाफ, हाँ सर।
हाँ चलो सब्स्टिट्यूट करो एक एक वैल्यू। f of x is x square square dx equal to pi by 2
सर
in, हाँ हाँ बोलिए
मिड पॉइंट 0 है ना?
क्या है?
मिड पॉइंट 0,
हाँ है ना मिड पॉइंट 0।
तो हाफ रेंज कैसे होगा?
अरे मिड पॉइंट 0 है। हाँ करेक्ट करेक्ट
हाफ रेंज नहीं होगा।
करेक्ट करेक्ट एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली वेरी गुड। हाफ रेंज नहीं होगा ये। दिस इज, हाँ करेक्ट करेक्ट आई गॉट इट। दिस इज नॉट हाफ रेंज एक्सपेंशन। हाँ करेक्ट करेक्ट जस्ट गिव मी। दिस इज नॉट, हाँ हाँ स्पीक।
ए नॉट इक्वल्स टू 2 पाई स्क्वायर बाय 3 आ रहा है, लेकिन आपने इक्वेशन में पाई स्क्वायर बाय 3 लिखा है।
ये वो a नॉट बाई 2 रहता है ना, ये है
हाँ,
यहाँ पे,
ओके सर।
है ना? हाँ, so that is not a problem. So this is not half range expansion. Very good. Since half range expansion, when we define, whenever the function is given in half range, but here function is given in full range. Okay. Therefore, we have to use the full range expansion. That is, we have to use formula number 1 only. So let me make small change. Formula number 1 with L equal to pi. So it is minus pi to plus pi f of x square, or we can use the formula number 2, one and same again. In case of formula number 1, we have to substitute bn equal to 0. So small change over here, pi, I think it is minus pi to plus pi f of x square. Formula number 2, that will be better to understand. Minus pi to pi f of x whole square, L will be become pi, a naught square by 2 plus summation a n square. Okay, okay. So it should be, thank you, those who told me the mistake. Thank you. Very good. So a naught by 2, a naught square. Here is a naught. Here is a naught. We have to take a naught. So 2 pi square divided by 3 whole square, isn't it? Divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n square. Here is a n. Right, so 4 minus 1 raised to n divided by n square whole square, and then complete the bracket, this big bracket. I'll repeat once again, there should not be any confusion. See, we cannot use half range expansions here since function is defined in full range, minus pi to plus pi, right? But function is even, therefore bn is equal to 0. Hope this is clear. Then I am using the formula number 2 by replacing L by pi. So it is minus pi to plus pi f of x, this formula. Minus pi to plus pi f of x whole square dx equal to L. L will become pi into a naught square by 2 plus summation n square, n equal to 1 to infinity. Now I am substituting the value of f of x, that is x square. I am substituting the a naught. I am substituting the n. Now let me simplify. So x square x raised to 4, integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 divided by 5. Limits are minus pi to plus pi. I'll solve them in next step. Equal to pi as it is. Let me simplify the terms inside. Okay. So 1 upon this 2, divided by 2 na. So 1 upon 2 as it is. Then 4 pi square divided by 9. Plus inside the summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised, yes,
वो 4 पाई स्क्वायर कैसे आएगा?
क्या कैसे आएगा?
4 पाई स्क्वायर नहीं होगा ना, 4 पाई रेज़ टू 4 होगा ना सर वो?
अरे हाँ, तीन गलती है। ओके, absolute 4 pi raised to 4, sorry. Okay, then minus 1 raised to n whole square, right? That is minus 1 raised to 2n. That is minus 1 square raised to n. But minus 1 square is plus 1. So 1 raised to n. 1 raised to n is 1. Okay, so I'll use this. Okay, so it will be 4 square, 16 minus 1 raised to n square, that is 1, so no need to write it, and divided by n raised to 4. Hope you might have understood up to this step. Okay, then right up to this step, then I have to change the page. Let me change the page. Can I?
Sir, just a minute.
Okay. Write it first. Okay, let me change the page now. I'll continue with this step, last step. Okay, so it was x raised to 5 divided by 5. Upper limit is pi. So pi raised to 5 divided by 5 minus lower limit now minus pi raised to 5. That is again minus pi raised to 5 divided by 5. Minus minus in next step it will become plus pi. Inside the bracket 2 will cancel. 2 pi raised to 4 by 9 plus summation 16, I can write outside. Okay, in next step 16 divided by n raised to 4, n equal to 1 to infinity. Okay, simplify this and keep in mind what we want to prove. Okay, so it is like this. Pi raised to, can I write it directly? Minus minus it will become plus. Okay, better I'll write it one more step. Pi raised to 5 divided by 5 equal to okay, all these things as it is, no change. So this is 2 pi raised to 5 divided by 5, and this pi na I'm taking it to other side, so it will become 1 upon pi. Right, I have taken pi from the right side to left side. Then we have 2 pi raised to 4 divided by 9 plus 16 I have taken outside. Actually, no need to write all these steps. You can write it in few steps only. But for everyone's understanding, let me write all the steps. So pi will cancel. It is 2 by 5 pi raised to 4 minus 2 by 9 pi raised to 4. Hope you might have understood it. Equal to 16, and then this summation 1 upon n raised to 4, n equal to 1 to infinity. Let me simplify this. So 45, okay, then cross multiplication 18 pi raised to 4 minus 10 pi raised to 4 equal to as it is. Then it is 8 by 45 pi raised to 4. Okay, equal to as it is. Next step, I am taking 16 to other side and I am keeping summation like this, 1 upon n raised to 4, n equal to 1 to infinity. 16 is taken to other side, so 16 into 8 divided by 45 pi raised to 4. Yes, can you simplify this? Can we simplify this? 16 will be in denominator. Oh, sorry. 1 upon 16. So this 8 and this 16 will cancel. So 2. Okay. So it is equal to 1 upon 90 pi raised to 4. Hope you are getting it. Okay. And this is our required answer. Now take n equal to 1. So 1 upon 1 raised to 4. N equal to 2. 1 upon 2 raised to 4. 1 upon 3 raised to 4. Plus 1 upon 4 raised to 4. And so on, equal to pi raised to 4 divided by 90. Hope you are getting this answer. This has taken much time. Huh? Okay, no problem. Few homework examples. Can I change the page? Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this example? Any doubt on this page? This is calculation only. Okay. So just do it by your own method, and final answer will be like this one. Okay. Right. Homework. Someone is waiting outside. Hope no one is there. Okay, let me continue where we are here. Okay, right. Homework to be submitted by how much time is required? 2 more days, by 18th. By 18th you have to submit the homework. Please do it and
Sir, and when do we have to submit that assignment of 4 year series?
assignment submitted by 18th. Everything on the 4 year series that you have to submit by 18th. 2 more days, you take 2 more days and submit everything about the unit number 2 by 18th. Yes
सर क्लासरूम वरती तुम्ही हे नाही लावलंय, डेडलाईन नाही दिली आहे.
हा राहू दे ना, ठीक आहे ना. आता करणं महत्वाचं आहे. काय डेडलाईन तुम्ही ऑफलाईन असला की नाही इथे ते डेडलाईन वगैरे देता येईल. आता तुम्ही घरी ते डेडलाईन देणं थोडंसं अवघड होते, कारण काही जणांच्याकडे फ्यू ऑफ पीपल्स दे डोंट हॅव नेट कनेक्टिव्हिटी, स्मार्ट मोबाईल्स दे डोंट हॅव, काहीतरी वन ऑर अदर प्रॉब्लेम इज देअर. ओके, त्यामुळे ते खूप रेस्ट्रिक्शन टाकत नाही तुमच्यावर. And you understand that you have to study all these things since all these things are again required as a mechanical and civil engineer. I suggest you to study all the mathematical part thoroughly, mathematical and physics part thoroughly. Since all these things are again required in the second year, third year, fourth year, and those who want to go for the higher studies, maybe MTech from IITs, MS from Germany, USA, some European countries, for them it is very compulsory. Studying this will be not only sufficient. You go through the reference book. H.K. Das is there, Krasik is there. I told you already the books, right? So you buy those books if those who want to go for the higher studies. Those who want to do job or just doing engineering, for them this textbook and these notes are sufficient. Okay, let me continue.
लाइब्रेरी में है क्या बुक?
हाँ, लाइब्रेरी में सब बुक है. अपने डिपार्टमेंट की सेपरेट लाइब्रेरी है, अपने कॉलेज की सेपरेट लाइब्रेरी है, वहां पे सब बुक अवेलेबल है. और आई थिंक थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट कॉपी देखो है क्या? ठीक है, चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. फाइंड 4 year series expansion ऑफ, और जिनको हायर स्टडी में जाना है ना, एमटेक करना है, एमएस करना है, खुद की कॉपी लेना है. ज्यादा महंगा नहीं रहता, 500, अराउंड 500. It will be for lifetime, right? And using
सर बुक का नाम वापस बताओगे?
HK दास का है, इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स, थोड़ा सा सिंपल है. और एरविन क्रेजिक, एडवांस्ड इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स.
ओके सर,
ठीक है, दोनों में से एक लीजिए. थोड़ा सा ये जो सेकंड बुक है, जो काफी मैथ्स में अच्छे, उनको लेना है.
सर ऑल सब्जेक्ट का करना पड़ेगा क्या?
नहीं, मैथ्स का तो एटलीस्ट आपको ना, दोस हु वांट टू गो फॉर द हायर स्टडीज ना, फिजिक्स और मैथ्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. यानी हायर स्टडीज यानी क्या है, वहां पे इफ यू गो टू द जर्मनी या यूएस या फ्रांस, जहां पे भी जाओगे, आईआईटी में जाओगे, तो वहां पे आपको रिसर्च लेवल का काम करना होता है एमटेक में. देन ओनली यू विल गेट द डिग्री. यानी फर्स्ट ईयर जो रहता है दैट इज कोर्स वर्क, ओके, और सेकंड ईयर जो रहता है वो प्रोजेक्ट रहता है. प्रोजेक्ट में आपको रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश करना होता है. ठीक है, सो वंस दिस रिसर्च पेपर वर्ड इज देयर ना, आपको सब्जेक्ट बहुत अच्छे से समझना है. एंड फॉर दैट यू शुड, हाँ बोलिए
सर. हमको अगर सिर्फ इंजीनियरिंग में पढ़ना तो फिर
इफ यू वांट टू डू द इंजीनियरिंग ओनली, और बाद में कुछ पढ़ना नहीं है, कुछ बिजनेस करना है और कुछ ये है ना, तो ये जो नोट्स है या टेक्स्ट बुक है जो निराली के बताया, टेक्निकल के बताया, वो सफिशिएंट है, मोर देन सफिशिएंट. ठीक है, सो यूजिंग पार्सेल्स आइडेंटिटी. अच्छा, और गोल डिसाइड करना है इस सेमेस्टर में. आप घर में हो, कॉलेज में हो, हॉस्टल में हो, डजंट मैटर. आपका गोल डिसाइड करना है. और मैंने सुना कि कुछ बच्चे यहाँ पे दे आर नॉट फ्रॉम पुणे, बट दे आर राइट नाउ दे आर इन पुणे, स्टेइंग इन द हॉस्टल और स्टेइंग विद देयर रिलेटिव्स. यदि टाइम मिलता है तो आइए, यहाँ पे डिस्कस करते हैं. व्हेनेवर यू गेट टाइम यू कम टू द कॉलेज.
ओके सर.
हाँ, लेकिन एक साथ मत आना, थोड़े थोड़े लोग आ जाना और कुछ गोल डिसाइड कीजिए. ठीक है,
पर सर जो कॉलेज में नहीं आ सकते वो लोग सर?
हाँ, तो वो यू कैन स्पीक विथ मी एट एनी टाइम. लेकिन
सर-
पहले कुछ प्लान लेके स्पीक करना है। हाँ
सर,
मेरे पास ये,
सर
हाँ
गोल इन द सेंस ये ईयर का कि
नहीं लॉन्ग टर्म
Life,
गोल,
life.
ओके
आफ्टर
ओके
बी व्हाट यू वांट टू, हाँ
आपको जॉब करना है, बिजनेस करना है, क्या करना है वो आपका है।
करेक्ट आपको डिसाइड करना है कि क्या करना है। अच्छा और एक दो एग्जांपल देता हूँ होमवर्क के लिए, राइट। ऑब्टेन द फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स in Fourier cosine series. Means I think you might have understood this is half range cosine expansion for y given actually you are far away, you might be offline ना, तो ये सारी चीजें डिस्कस होती है ऑनलाइन। जो ऑफलाइन में 1 घंटा लगता है, ऑनलाइन में 1.5 घंटा लगता है पढ़ाने के लिए।
यस सर, ऑनलाइन में मजा भी आता है, ऑफलाइन में मजा भी आता है सर।
अरे हमें भी नहीं मजा आ रहा है, हम भी बोर हो गए, क्योंकि वो मोनोटोनस होता है ना, वही सिर्फ पढ़ाने का।
अप्रैल के बाद मिलेंगे।
आएंगे आप आएंगे तो बात करेंगे। अच्छा, so for this example you might have understood period is, can anyone tell me what the period is, and then number of divisions? Yes, what the period is? See, the value of y corresponding to 0 and 5 is different. Okay, so I have to add 6 and then I'll get 4 corresponding value of y, है ना? This is not given, I have added this. So 0 to 6, so period is 6. So 2l equal to 6, l equal to 3. Number of divisions, last का छोड़ दो, 5, 6 ना, 6. लास्ट का यानी जो रिपीट होता है वो छोड़ना है। सो यू डोंट लीव x इक्वल टू 5, है ना। सी x इक्वल टू 0, y इक्वल टू 4, बट x इक्वल टू 5, y इक्वल टू 2 ना, सो वैल्यू इज नॉट रिपीटेड ना, जो रिपीटेड वैल्यू है उसको छोड़ना है। सो इफ आई ऐड x इक्वल टू 6 देन y इक्वल टू 4, सो आई हैव टू लीव द लास्ट वन 6 4, सो 6 डिविजन्स आर देयर corresponding to 0। मैं लिखता हूं यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6, so m equal to 6, and hope everyone remember that it is always even number। Okay, third, one more example and then for this topic we'll stop, we'll start with a new topic। Find expansion up to second harmonic for x and y the corresponding values of x are so you might have understood यहाँ पे क्या क्या फाइंड करना है हमें, a नॉट five values, find all these things. You might have understood what the period is. Standard period, number of divisions 6, usually it is 6 या 12 होता है. Okay, that's it about this unit. At least let me introduce the next unit. Okay.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
how you have considered 6, x equals to 6 and y equals to 4 in second question?
X equal to that you want to say. See, the x equal to 0 to 5 is given, right now. So when x equal to 0, y is 4. When x equal to 5, y is 2. So by default, next value should be repeated. Then only this is periodic function. And if it is periodic function, then only we can find Fourier series expansion, right now. Therefore.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Next, unit number 3. Hope you might have written it.